Hello everyone, I'm Nikki Bicanillo, 7 Cardinal. This is all we need for my basket composting. First, put the soil in the plastic bottle. Second, put the fruit skin in the plastic bottle. And put again the soil in the plastic bottle. Third, put the eggshell into the plastic bottle. Then add soil again. Fourth, put the dried leaves into the plastic bottle. Then add soil again. Now that we have filled the basket composting, and let's add water into the plastic bottle. And cover it and wait for tomorrow.